Hi, I'm Jer. Welcome to Kill-Divill, where we focus on rum and cocktails. Today I'm going to make a drink called Trafalgar. To make this drink, I'm going to start with 1.5 ounces of the rum. 1.5 ounces is 45 milliliters. Then, 1.5 ounces of the cognac style brandy. 1.5 ounces is 45 milliliters. Half an ounce of orange liqueur. Half an ounce is 15 milliliters. Half an ounce of 1:1 simple syrup. And I do make my own syrups. If you want to see the recipe for this, feel free to check the link down below or at the end of the video. Half an ounce is 15 milliliters. Then half an ounce of fresh squeezed lime juice. Half an ounce, 15 milliliters. Get some ice, add your ice to the shaker. And give it a shake. Now, the recipe does call for a martini or cocktail glass. I do not have any of those, and I know from experience that even my ancestral coupes are too small, so I'm going to put this into an old-fashioned glass for now. Now, the last step is a wine float, and they specify red wine. They suggest a Shiraz. I know nothing about wine at all, so I got a Shiraz. Probably not a good one. I'm going to uncork this. I'll be with you in just a moment. Now, wine uncorked. I need half an ounce of this, which is 15 milliliters. And I'm going to slow pour this into the glass. They suggest using a bar spoon. I don't think the type of spoon is that important, as long as you can pour the wine into the spoon, and from there it goes into the glass so that the wine ends up floating on top, is the theory. And this is supposed to represent Admiral Nelson's blood. And there you have it. Trafalgar. Drink with good spirits.